Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with TikTok and Digital24 affiliate marketing. And not just Digital24, you can also apply this method on ClickBank, on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, Commission Junction, or any other affiliate network. And you can successfully apply this method not just on TikTok, you can also apply it on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest videos, Twitter videos, Rumble, and so on and so on. And this method is literally copy and paste. You do know how to copy and paste, right? And we are going to use only free tools, so it will cost you no money. Literally, only thing that you need to invest is time and work. And also, I'm going to show you how you can triple your earnings. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. And let me first show you a hot niche. As you can see here, motivation. Now, motivation is a hot topic, not just on TikTok, but also on Instagram and Facebook. And here you can see these guys here, they have 3.8 million followers. And their videos are getting literally hundreds of thousands of views every day. And these videos are mostly stock footage videos, royalty-free videos, or they even asked for a permission to upload these videos on their TikTok page. And when you go back here, for example, on this page here you can see these guys have 1.5 million followers. And this is literally a stock foot video and quote and a background music. And these videos are getting tens of thousands of views every day. It is really simple to make these videos. You can do this in just 5 minutes. And not just that, but you can actually upload these videos also on Facebook as a Facebook Reel and get in the Facebook partnership program and get paid for every view. And you can also upload these same videos here on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, join YouTube Shorts YouTube partnership program and start making money in that way as well. And you can also grow your TikTok page and promote your affiliate products. And here you can see these guys, they don't even have a link in their bio. That is because they are in TikTok partnership program. Here you can see that these guys here, they actually do have a link in their bio. As you can see here, it is a link to their website, and I'm guessing that they are getting thousands and thousands of clicks every day from TikTok to their website. So first thing you need to do, you need to make these videos. So first thing you need to do in order to make videos just like this, you need to find quotes. Now to do that, you can simply go on Pinterest, and here in search bar you can type something like, for example, motivation. And here click on enter, and here you will get lots of motivational quotes, as you can see here, and you can use any of these quotes. So let me just use one of these quotes. So for example, let's just use this one here, okay? And I will just click here on save image as, and because I'm a lazy guy, I will go here on this website, click here on browse files. This is the image. Give it a second, confirm that I'm not a robot. Click here on submit, and this website will automatically convert this image here into a text. Just give it a few seconds to actually do that, okay? And here you can see it converted this text, so I will simply do something like this to make it better for my video, and I will delete this because I don't need this website, okay? So now what I need to do, I actually need to find videos like this. So for that, to do that, I need royalty-free videos. So simply go on Pexels, and here you can type something like, for example, drone, okay, drone footage, and then click here and then click on videos. And because we are making videos for TikTok, click here on filters, orientation, click on vertical, because like I said, we are making videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. And here you can find the royalty-free drone images that you can use. So let me choose one of these videos. So let me scroll through this. Okay, I just say, for example, this video here, okay? And what I need to do, this is how it looks. I need to click here, choose the dimensions. Let's just say, for example, 1080 with 1920. Click here on download selected size. Click here, save video as, save video. Give it a few seconds to actually save this video. Next thing you need a background music, royalty-free music. Now what you can do is you can simply go back here on TikTok, and here you can search something like, for example, motivation. Motivation, press enter, and then click here on videos to find videos that are going viral in your niche, and simply scroll through these videos, and let's just say, for example, almost 1 million views. So just click here on this video Okay, you see the music, you hear the music in the background. So let me just, and now what you need to do, this is really important, you need to copy this link here. You do not want to copy this link here. No, you actually wish to copy this link here. Click here on copy link, and you need to go on this website here, musicaldownload.com, TikTok to MP3, and simply paste that link here. Click here on download, give it a few seconds, and then click here, download MP3 now. Click here, and let me just close this, and then click here, download MP3 now again. Click here, and as you can see, it downloaded this music. So now when we have our quote, when we have our footage in video, and when we have our music, next thing we need to do, we need to actually make a video. Now to make your videos, you can use any video editor that you want, but I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you are looking for simple solutions. So what you can do is you can simply go on Canva and register for a free account. And then you need to click here on mobile video, and it will automatically give you right dimensions. So next thing you need to do, you need to click here on uploads, and you need to upload video that you downloaded from Pexels. And click here on videos, and this is the video. I will simply drag it here and give it a few seconds, and this is the video. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to add my quote. So I will go here on elements, and then I will choose, let's say for example, this square one. And I am actually going to move that here and make it wider like this. And I can change the color, simply click here and I just say black, and I will actually make this, so just click here, and I will make this, let's just say semi-transparent. Something like this, okay? And now I need to add my quote, so simply click here on this T for text, and I will use one of these text styles. So just, okay, I will just use this one here, for example. And what I need to do, I need to delete this, and here I need to actually go back here, and this is my quote, okay? Control C to copy that, and I will paste that here, and I will actually make this to be white. Click here on this A, make this white, and I'm actually going to make this smaller like this and wider like this, okay? Like this, and I'm actually going to move that here. Something like this, okay? And I will make this center like this. And let's just make it a bit larger like this, okay? And this is my video. So next thing I need to do, I need to add a background music, right? So actually I need to fix this, okay? Like this, okay? So to upload your music, simply go here again on uploads and click here on upload and upload the music that you downloaded from this website here, music download MP3, and it will upload that here. So what you need to do, now you need to add that music here to your video. And this is the music. So what I need to do, I simply need to drag that music here. Okay, I made a mistake. I will drag it here, and I will actually move this slider here, okay, and move this music here. So now let me just click here on play so you can hear how this actually looks. And actually you can add some animation on your text. Just click here and then click here and click on animation. And you can say something like this, okay, or like this, or something like this. Okay, let's just leave it like this. And when I click here on play, and here you can see this is how your video looks. Now you have a popular song in the background, and popular song on TikTok is really, really important. And you need to add popular songs in your TikTok videos. So after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on share and then click here on download, choose MP4 and download that video on your desktop. As you can see, really simple, really easy. You can make these videos in just 5 minutes using only free tools. And when you make 5, 10, 20, 50 videos, what you need to do, you need to simply go back here on TikTok and you need to start uploading those videos on your TikTok page in order to start growing your TikTok page. But how do you actually make money? So what you need to do, you need to do exactly the same thing like these guys. You need to add a link in your bio. But what I would suggest is to actually add a Linktree link in your bio, because in that way you can promote multiple different products from multiple different affiliate networks. So what you need to do, you need to go on Linktree and you need to register for a free account. And what you need to do, you need to click here on add a link. And here you need to paste a link. So simply to find the products you wish to promote, you need to go on Digistore24 on Marketplace, and here you can simply search, for example, motivation, and click here on search, and here you can find motivation related products. So what you can do, you need to actually copy this link here. That is your Digistore24 affiliate link. Simply go back on Linktree, paste that link here, click here on add, go back on Digistore24, and I can simply copy this, Ctrl C, go back on Linktree, click here on this pencil, and I can paste that here, okay? And I added my link. And what you can do also, you can go on ClickBank Marketplace, and you can scroll here, and you can click here on self-help, and then click here on motivation transformation, and here you can find motivation related products that you can also promote. And also you need to simply go back on Linktree, click here on add a link, and you can add a link to the ClickBank product. But what I would also suggest is to actually start promoting your other social media. I told you that you can actually triple your earnings by uploading these same videos, uploading them on Facebook as a Facebook Reels, and also on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, and joining their partnership program and tripling your earnings. So you need to add that on your Linktree. Here you can see you have that option. Just click here on View All, and you can add your YouTube channel, and you can also add your Pinterest page, and you can also add your Facebook page here on your Linktree. This is how it looks, and you can start growing your Facebook page and your YouTube channel. And like I said, you can join their partnership program and you can start making money. And not just that, but you can also start promoting your affiliate products, your Linktree link on your YouTube channel and on your Facebook page. And you can earn money from their partnership program and also from affiliate marketing. So this is how you make money with TikTok and Digistore24 affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.